Frogs are amazing creatures that set extraordinary records. In this video, you will learn about the different frog species, smallest to largest, in the world. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post videos. Let's get moving. The giant Asian river frog. From Myanmar through western Thailand and the Malay Peninsula, the gigantic Asian river frog can be found. This aquatic frog is a desirable food source for humans because huge specimens can weigh more than 1 kilogram. If their environment is undisturbed, they have remained widespread even though their numbers declined in regions where humans harvest them. Populations recover after 5 to 10 years in areas where harvesting is helpful. Because only the females call in this species, the males are unique. Males are supposedly made aware of the female's existence by the call. In the sandy stream bed, the male hollows out a space for the eggs to be placed. Males are between 8.5 and 12.5 centimeters tall. Females measure between 9 and 26 centimeters. The Lake Junnan's frog. This enormous and critically endangered species of woolly aquatic frog is found only in Peru's Andes Lake Junnan, also known as Chinchayacoca, at the height of 4,088 meters. It is believed that several factors, including the introduction of trout to the lake, which feast on tadpoles, contributed to its decrease. Chemical contaminants created by adjacent mines flow into the lake like sewage from a city. Most significantly, locals have historically gathered this giant frog for food. It has been introduced to Rio Montaro, a lengthy river that flows into Peru, as part of a conservation project. It still needs to be determined what this introduction's results will be. These species will have a maximum length of 30 centimeters. The helmeted water toad. When attacked or harassed, this huge water frog becomes hostile, expanding its body, opening its jaws, and moving closer to the aggressor. It consumes various foods, including fish, frogs, tiny birds, insects, larvae, and even mammals. During the breeding season in September and October, males make raucous calls and lay clutches of up to 10,000 eggs in shallow water. Tadpoles undergo metamorphosis after 2 years. The species has suffered because it was hunted for human consumption. In addition, pollution, invasive trout that consume the tadpoles, and habitat loss are threats to the species. Males can grow as long as 12 centimeters, while females can grow as long as 32 centimeters. The Goliath frog. Since some of these frogs weigh up to 3 kilos, they are the biggest in the world. It is found in rivers with sandy bottoms, rapids, and cascades that cut through the jungles of Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea. It causes problems for the locals because it is a significant source of food for them when it comes out onto land at night in quest of food. There is no evidence of its mating habits. On vegetation that is submerged, it deposits hundreds of eggs. The Dicrea warmingi that grows on rocks is the only food source for the tadpoles. Neither sex calls nor evident gender distinctions seem to exist. This species can grow to a maximum length of 33 centimeters. These were some of the giant frogs. Now let's move towards the most miniature frogs. Paedophyrine verrucosa. This is a rare species about which we don't know anything. They were discovered in 2011, and they may be found in the southeast of Papua New Guinea. The species' skin is rough and brown with yellow splotches. The frogs only reach a height of 8 to 9 millimeters. Paedophryne dicotte. These frogs, which were also found at the same time as the verrucosa, are indigenous to the Papua New Guinea. Their skin is reddish-brown more smoothly. They measure 8 to 9 millimeters. Stymphia contumelia. The undersides of these adorable little frogs are dark brown, while the tops of their bodies are brilliant orange with darker speckles. They have big, rounded orange eyes. This species, which is native to Madagascar, was found in 2017. They are 8 to 9 millimeters in size. Paedophryne swiftptorum. The frogs on this list keep getting smaller, can you believe it? Only 8.5 millimeters is the maximum length for the swiftptorum species. With dark patterns and orange flecks, their skin has a milky appearance. Orange is also a strong color in their eyes. In 2008, Papua New Guinea was the site of the frog's initial discovery. Since they chirp to attract a partner, people initially thought they were crickets because of how similar their sound sounds. The little frog was then found by Cornell University student Michael Grundler, concealed in the leaf litter. Paedophryne amoensis. This smallest frog in the entire world is here at last. They only measure 7.7 millimeters in length, and have silvery markings on a dark reddish-brown background. Orange describes their eyes. These frogs are native to Papua New Guinea, like the other members of their genus. By sifting through piles of leaf litter and placing the frogs in baggies, Christopher Austin and Eric Rittmeyer found them in 2012. Alright everyone, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed learning about frogs today. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video. Goodbye until next time.